Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated 5th February 2024. The Indian equity benchmarks failed to hold on to the opening gains and ended lower in a volatile session on February 5, as investors awaited the RBI meet outcome for rate QQs and inflation trajectory. The Sensex ended 354.21 points, or 0.49% down at 71,731.42, and the Nifty was down 82.10 points, or 0.38% at 21,771.70. Top losers on the Nifty included UPL, Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life and Grazim Industries, while gainers were Tata Motors, Coal India, BPCL, Sun Pharma and Cipla. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Bank of India was trading almost 8% down on February 5 despite robust Q3 numbers, as investors rushed to book profit after a 34% rally since October. Analysts said the steep fall in Bank of India was due to a combination of post-results profit booking and continued margin compression for the banking sector. On February 2, Bank of India reported a 62.4% year-on-year rise in net profit to 1,895 rupees crore in the third quarter, helped by improvement in NI. The bank's gross non-performing assets stood at 5.35%, down from 7.66% in the year-ago period. On the other hand, net NPA stood at 1.41%, improving from 1.61%. Shares of Indigo operator INTERGLOBE Aviation soared more than 5% to hit a record high of 3,300 rupees on February 5 morning after the company's strong third-quarter earnings triggered a flurry of upbeat views and target price updates by brokerages. Indigo's net profit more than doubled in the December quarter to 2,998 rupees crore from the year-ago period. The spike in profit was driven by persistent demand for air travel and a fuel surcharge introduced in October, which offset the grounding of some aircraft. The low-cost air carriers' revenue rose 30% to 19,452.15 rupees crore, aided by strong demand and a favorable seasonality. Shares for Tata Motors zoomed 5% on February 5 at the open on the NSE after outpacing the street estimates with robust Q3 numbers. In the last 1 year, the stock has accelerated nearly 99%. In a regulatory filing on February 2, after the market hours, Tata Motors reported a 137.5% on-year growth in consolidated profit of 7,025 rupees crore for the quarter ended December 2023. Revenue from operations for the same period grew 25% year-on-year to Rs 110,577 crore for the quarter, while EBITDA for the quarter grew 59% to 15,333.3 rupees crore. Margin for the reporting period expanded 300 basis points to 13.9%. Life Insurance Corporation of India's share price rose 5% on February 5, surpassing the IPO price of 949 rupees yet again, pushing the market capitalization of the insurer above the Rs 6 lakh crore mark. In mid-January, LIC overtook the State Bank of India and became the most valued public sector undertaking. The SBI share price on Monday fell 1.11% to 643.2 rupees, and its market cap stood at 5.77 rupees lakh crore. The LIC stock has surged more than 55% in the past 3 months. VA Techwabag shares were up 6% to 702.40 rupees in the opening trade on February 5, after the company bagged an order for industrial wastewater treatment plant at Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The stock hit a 52-week high of 729 rupees on the BSE. The company secured an order worth $33.5 million from SEPCO II Electric Power Construction Corporation towards engineering and procurement of a 20 MLD industrial wastewater treatment plant at Ras Tanura Refinery Complex, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the company said in a release. Cords Cable Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 175.80 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 693.773 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 139.15, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.06. Unichem Laboratories Limited in daily time frame is trading around 561.35 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.536 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 482.61, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 80.61. Dhruv Consultancy Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 83.75 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.533 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 68.51, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.93. For the stock recommendation we have, Avid Sugar and Energy Limited looks good and can be bought at 653 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 643 rupees and a target of 679 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.